Hello, fellow diamond painters. DP Crazy Lady here. It is 10:52 p.m. It is Tuesday. It is the 14th. Uh, it's still Tuesday. Tomorrow we have to take Pup to the vet for his nails cut. So I thought I'd come on here and show you. I finished. I'm going to call the Patriotic Horse. I have to. I'll put the link in the description below. This is Paint Some Way. This is a 40 by 40. There are 20 colors, no ABs, but you can see the sparkle and the shine. More than enough drills. It's around. Uh, it's beautiful. It is beautiful. I really enjoyed working on this. Uh, it was plenty sticky. Um, the colors, the colors are beautiful. I don't know what else to say about it except thank you, Paint Some Way, for allowing me once again to, you know, paint one of your products and show it off on my channel. It's beautiful. You guys have to, like I said, check them out because, you know, they got some really, really nice paintings. Really nice. Um, Weather, it's going to be back up high again. And I had rescheduled my eye appointment for the 16th, and it's going to be about in the high 90s. I'm going anyway. I'm not canceling again. I'm going. That's it. Gas prices, I don't know if you want to talk about it. I had to pay almost $6 a gallon for my gas in my car. Uh, Very expensive. Food prices, yeah, they've went up too. So, but I'll tell you, diamond painting uh, definitely releases any stress that you have because when I'm diamond painting, and I hope most of you are the same way, you don't think about other things. If you have music playing, or I usually have YouTube playing in the background of just whatever, and I listen to it while I'm diamond painting. So, once again, like I said, Paint Some Way. Uh, More than enough drills. Uh, Clean enough drills. And like I said, it's a 40 by 40, 20, and there's only 20 colors. And that really, made definition in the horse's face, the eyes, the stripes, everything, the hooves. It's really gorgeous. And, the shine. You can see the sparkle in that. It's amazing. So, I'll be back on sometime tomorrow with something different. So, you know, be on the watch or look out for that. But please do visit Paint Some Way. I really appreciate them. It's shipped really, really fast. Um, all I can say is thank you, Paint Some Way. I really, really appreciate this. Uh, I love showing off, different work. And, yeah, I do paint. I can't say I paint fast. I just paint a lot of hours. And that's how I get things done. I've got stacks and stacks that are done and don't know what to do with them. So y'all have a good one. Um, I hope, I think I said the wrong time too. 10:57, I think it was 10:51 p.m. Oh well, doesn't matter. You're not going to see this probably till morning anyway, y'all. So, y'all have a good one. Love you all. Thank you again. Paint some way. And I'll be back on tomorrow sometime after we take the pup to the vet, probably. So, have a good one. Hugs. Love y'all. DP Crazy Lady, I'm out.